Hey, I'm Maya, and welcome to NextGen Study.
Distracted by YouTube again while pretending to hit their books? Let's tackle that with 5 essential AI tools every student needs. Meet Notion AI, the smartest way to take notes and stay organized. It helps you summarize classes, write faster, and manage your tasks, all in one clean workspace. Next one is Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you write clearly, correctly, and with the right tone, in real time. It checks spelling and grammar, sentence clarity and flow, rewriting awkward sentences, tone, formal, casual, confident, etc. Plagiarism. In the premium version, whether you're writing essays, assignments, or emails, Grammarly helps you sound smart, clear, and confident. Our next app is Perplexity AI is like Google, but way smarter for students. It gives you direct, clear answers to any question, backed by sources, and explains complex topics in seconds. Perplexity AI saves research time. Explains hard topics clearly. Sources included, no guessing. Helps with homework and quick understanding. Struggling with essays and research papers? Ginny AI is built just for students like you. It helps you write academic essays, find real sources, and even generate references, all in one place. Now you can write better essays faster. Cite real research automatically. One-click paraphrasing. App number 5 is Otter.ai, your smart note-taker. It records and transcribes your lectures, meetings, or study sessions in real time. Focus on listening while Otter takes care of the notes, and even gives you summaries. Why would you love it? Never miss a detail in class. Focus on listening instead of rushing to write. Perfect for revision and study later. Great for group projects or shared note-taking. So if you are in school, college, or study online, these apps will immensely help you throughout your studies. So if you really loved my suggestions, hit like button, do subscribe to NextGen Study, your study guide, cause it takes a lot on mind and body to create such a video, and if you want, comment below so that I get motivated to help out more. Until then, enjoy your studies.